N.R.T here, guys. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing video. So I was sent some Loctite from Apex.com. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but I'll put a link in the description to their Amazon. Go check them out. It's basically what it looks like is off-brand Loctite, which I'm open to try different stuff. So we got the medium. No, this is the medium, and then we got the extreme. So if you don't want it to come off without heat, you use this. If you want it to come out with, you just want it to stay tight, you use this one. These are only $10 together, so like $5 a piece. Loctite charges a pretty penny for these 50 milliliter bottles, so it's just an unboxing video today. There's all the specs right there. High temperature, chemical resistance, secure and long-lasting fasteners, vibration impact resistant, reliable adhesive and sealing, easy application and cutting, versatility and safety. So, yeah, so I want to say thanks to Apex for sending that out, and I'll definitely be testing out in an upcoming video. So, thank you guys for stopping by.